Today we are opening our September 2014 BarkBox, and with me we have Cody and Peyton. So let's open it up. I have not opened it yet, so we'll do the treats first. Alright, what do we got? We have Barkworthies in sweet potatoes. Alright, what does the card say? Barkworthies and sweet potato steak fries. Sweet potatoes are taking over as a healthy alternative for those of us who need our fry fix, and our pups shouldn't miss out. Made from 100% sweet potatoes, these steak fries from Barkworthies are perfect for sensitive bellies and pups with allergies. $8. Alright. Made in the USA. Okay, get down, Cody. Good job. Did you eat yours? They don't like these. Okay. Try to pop smaller pieces. Okay, they're a bit hard. Want another one, Cole? Okay. Yeah, these are a little on the hard side. Guess you have to get used to the texture. There we go. Okay. Peyton's gonna have a stab at it. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Let's see what's next in our BarkBox. Toy treats. All right. This one is Indigo Smokehouse Strips, 100% USA ground pork. Premium cuts, no byproducts, in the flavor bacon. Alright, what does our thing say? We've heard victory smells delicious. Made with 100% USA pork and no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives you want to refrigerate after opening. These goodies are best consumed within 3 days of unsealing, and make sure to store them in an airtight container. Alright. Special instructions. Ooh. Airtight. Where are my scissors? Oops. All right. These smell like ham. All right, Peyton, your turn. All right, Cody likes these ones. Get down. Sit. One more for Miss Peyton. One last one. There. All right. And we're done with the food. All right, and we're back. I have to change out the battery. So here we are. The next item. What is the next item? Webs won't be destroyed. Let's try this. We had this in another box. It's Etta Says Premium 12-inch Chew in Crunchy Duck. Let's see what it says. Etta Says Duck Chew. Made from wholesome American duck, Etta Says duck chews have always been a favorite to pups worldwide. And it is a favorite. These guys love it. In fact, Peyton stole Cody's half last time. Awesome. There you go. Okay, while they're eating, those retail for $4 each. Cody's all done with his, aren't you, Cody? Good, huh? You get some more later. Peyton's still working. All right. What's next? Oh dear. Okay, that looks like it's gonna... Oh, try this one first. So we got a toy with crinkle in it, no one squeakies. BarkADM from Barkley. Alright, this says Safe Made Pet Barkley Pennant. Excuse me, Cody. A BarkBox exclusive. What better way to show your team spirit than a classic university pennant? Raise that paw up high for your alma mater, pups. And those go for $7. can't run around with it in this room, so there's not as much enthusiasm. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Get down. Sit down. Sit down. Alright, the next one is the pom-pom one. So it's got a rope. Okay, there's just too much excitement. There's a rope, there's 2 tennis balls, and then there's pom-poms. These pom-poms are not going to last long in this house. But hopefully, whoa, the toy does. See, they like it already. Alright. What does the card say? Fab Dog Pom-Poms. Fab Dog has created this novelty set of pom-poms exclusively for BarkBox pups. This crowd pleaser performs best as a tug toy rather than a chew toy. Team members need to share after all. Let's hear it. One for all and all for one. And these go for $10. Alright, so the total value of this box is, let's see, 7, 7, 14, 24, 28, 36? $36. And this is the large BarkBox. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month. Bye!